Why do the heavy lifting all by yourself? It's time to bot.
Welcome back. In the last tutorial we learned how to get your bot to take and log a single message. For that, we used a take message type of screen that did the whole job for us. Now, to create a form, all we need is a couple of such screens. Let's quickly create your first form, simulating an incoming service call. By the way, you can create longer, more complex forms for your visitors to submit. But in this tutorial, we'll be creating a basic form just to get the hang of it. First, add 3 screens and give them titles which represent the form's flow. This form will ask visitors to provide 2 answers, and then present them with an ending screen. On the first screen, enable the take message setting. The content instructs the visitor to provide the first piece of info. As mentioned in the last tutorial, after leaving a message, visitors are automatically forwarded to the first routing option. So we'll choose to route the visitor to the form's next stage. Set the second screen to take a message as well, and we'll ask the visitor for the second piece of info. Choose to automatically forward them to the form's ending screen. The form's ending screen doesn't take messages. This is where we inform the visitor that their message was delivered successfully, and offer routing options again, getting back to the regular conversation flow. Always add an ending screen to every WhatsApp form that you create. If you don't add an ending screen, visitors submitting a form will be forwarded to the main menu, and wonder if their form was delivered or not. Lastly, we'll add the new service call screen to the main menu, so visitors can reach it. Once your bot delivers a form, you'd probably want to handle it according to its contents. To manage incoming messages, get form submission notifications, and much more, explore our videos, as well as the tips inside the settings section of your bot's dashboard. To take the next steps and get the most out of your WhatsApp bot, watch our next tutorials. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with all that's new in the realms of automation solutions.